and today I have a Halloween journal using the Calico Collage digital kit, Beautiful Haunting, and I will have this listed in my Etsy shop. If you're interested in having this for an October daily, I will try my best to get it to you as soon as possible. All right, so let's take a look. I have some fabric on the front, which is a shiny, fun fabric, and then on the back I have some lace, and then I left the book cover showing for the back. And then I did some layering up of different pieces of ephemera. I have this bulb pin with a Tim Holtz thing that says Dearly Beloved, because I thought the couple on there was kind of fun. And then on this side I have some different dangles. This one says Boo, and this one says 31, and this one says 13. I actually did a video showing how I stamped those out. And then the closure is a bit different. It's this chain, and it has two pieces of Tim Holtz trinkets and coins, and you simply take the latch part and you can unhook it. And then this will come out, and then you can just attach this back like that, and then it will dangle here. Now, I left some extra chain so that if your October daily doesn't get that big, you could chop a couple of these pieces off so that it's not dangling so low. And if you didn't like that idea, you could just do ribbon. But I thought this chain was kind of fun. All right, so I left this journal pretty empty so that it could be used for an October daily. You'll see I have some scrapbook paper, and then I made this big pocket of ephemera. A lot of it is from the kit, some of it is Tim Holtz, but I figured this could be used throughout the month if you were using this as an October daily journal. All sorts of different pieces of ephemera. They're all inked up with the black distress ink. I love this skeleton with the flowers. And here's a tag. A cat, super cute, and a crow. And flowers. Here's some Tim Holtz. Love that one. So fun. So all sorts of different pieces of ephemera. And then in here, there's a sticker, so I won't take it off, but there's smaller embellishments as well. So this envelope will be tucked right in the front and can be used to embellish and decorate the journal. And then we have some of the scrapbook paper. This is one of the pages from the digital kit. Isn't it fun? And I printed the pages back to back, so there's really not a lot of white, and if there is, I did some spraying. So here's a pocket. You can put a tag in. That crow again. I also did some stenciling, and this is coffee dyed paper. And here is a haunted house, and it's a little tuck. More of the digital kit, more stenciling with the matching colors. And then for the center of this signature, this is a playing card. It's a 4 of spades and then an owl. Lots of space to decorate and put pictures for your October daily. Here's the other side of the haunted house, and that's a tuck spot. Lots of fun sizes and colors. Love the fun purples in that digital kit. It's so pretty. Here's a second signature, some fun pumpkins. Here I put the haunted house as a page in the journal. There's the pumpkins. Some Tim Holtz paper, more of the papers, and the digital kit. Love that Tim Holtz paper. The kitty cat, super cute. And in this signature, I have a 1 and a 3, so it could be 31 or 13. There we go, more digital pages. More of the Distress Oxide and some stenciling. Super fun and just ready to go for October. So, like I said, if you didn't make a journal for October and you are interested in doing an October daily, this one is ready and I can get it out as soon as possible. All right, let me know what you think of the journal in the comments below. And if you haven't and you're interested, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I put up a new video. All right, well, thanks for watching today and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.